My name is Alp Dibirdi. I am with Software Product Management, Nokia. Today I'm here to talk about 7250 IXR family of products. 5G is, I guess, kicking in a much faster manner than anybody have ever anticipated. Much like any mobile evolution, 5G introduces a lot of more bandwidth, but that's not the only thing that it brings to the table. One additional thing that it brings that has never been out there is network slicing. Using the same infrastructure to offer services, aka VPNs, to many other customers. Use the very same infrastructure to transport applications that are hugely demanding, like autonomous driving, but as well mobile health, together with best effort internet access. So the infrastructure that's to be used to transport the mobile traffic needs to adjust to this ever-changing requirements, to this new fluid era, where networks are offered as services, where capacity is offered as a service. 7250 IXR is designed ground up to meet and exceed the quality of service requirements of 5G, together with the fixed mobile convergence. Not only it supports per slice shaping capabilities, but also differentiation up to 8 different forwarding classes queues within a single slice, while ensuring each and every slice gets its fair share, whether you have 5 slices, 100 slices, or 500 slices, even 1,000 slices out of a single node in a single network build-out. With 5G and its super demanding slices applications that are out there, like autonomous driving, where we are talking about delays well under a millisecond, one other very important aspect is the right service infrastructure to transport those slices. We have made a huge investment into EVPN VPWS infrastructure. Not only we support multi-homing for redundancy in an active manner to maximize the assets, to maximize the investments that's going into the network infrastructure, but we also support full aliasing, full load balancing across multiple active endpoints. That goes with that is to minimize the impact on the network such that when a virtualized function, like virtualized EPC, is switching or even extending to a remote data center for additional capacity, which is capacity as a service. We also support flexible cross-connect capabilities with VLAN tag manipulation options. This gives the ability to transport multiple radio units at a single location or aggregated by a box like 7250 IXR R6 over a single spoke STP, over a single transport tunnel. One other thing that goes hand in hand with the service that can be maintained all the way from the cell site to the data center, whether it's the mobile edge compute or the global data center that's up in the cloud, is the OEM capability. Without proper OEM, one cannot really talk about successful service offering. There is always going to be rainy days where you need to dig a little bit deeper into the network to pinpoint the failing component, the component that needs a little bit more attention. In line with that, we invested heavily into Y1731. We not only support a full-fledged fault management detection with 3.3 millisecond timers with CCM, link trace AES capabilities, but also we support proper performance monitoring with true loss measurement capabilities that acts on the number of actual sent bytes, received packets, but also delay and jitter metrics that gives not only one-way delay measurements, but also end-to-end delay measurements. To make it even more applicable to 5G, we tie it up to the very accurate PTP. We recover the time from the network, whether it's over a GNSS receiver on, as an example, IXR-R6, or we rely on 1588 PTP, and we use that very accurate time to timestamp our OEM frames. This gives sub-millisecond accuracy in delay jitter measurements throughout the network for every service out there. That's all on 7250 IXR family of products today, and I would like to thank you for your time and for your attention.